Hi loves, this is Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of my cloth and paper subscription box for the month of March. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So I just got this package today and I want to show you guys how excited I am to open this box. I've seen a few IG posts or even like stories. I am so tempted to watch them, but you know, I wanted to wait for my box and then open it in front of you guys. So let's do it. So basically, when you open the subscription box from Cloth and Paper, you would usually see the what's inside card. So it says here that you'll be getting the cleaning inserts, half-page cleaning inventory inserts, wave dashboard, logo file dashboard, window dashboard, and then we're also getting a fog color bar lined notepad. Well, email or call minimal task card set, circle sticky note set, quartz transparent page flags, and of course my favorite, the journaling cards. So let's open it up. There you go. So the box itself is a little bit damaged from shipping, but hopefully the inside is good. So let's do this. There you go. Oh my gosh. So we're getting a cleaning checklist. So when your environment is clean, you feel happy, motivated, and healthy. Definitely true. So you have the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. So let's do this one. I'll put it closer. And weekly. And we have the monthly. And lastly, the quarterly. This is so nice. A good checklist for everyone. Okay, I'll put this on the side. So I guess, oh, this is the email or call minimal task card set. There you go. So here's the front. The back would be just blank one. This is nice. Ooh, I see you. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So these are the circle page flags. Oh no, sorry. This is the circle sticky note set. This is so nice. I love the colors. There you go. Very nice. And I guess this is the fog color lined notepad. Well, I love notepads, so I am going to use this one. Probably when I'm doing my grocery list or my to-do list. Then I'm just going to tear it and put it in my bag. This is something that I know I'll be able to use. There you go. And I guess this is 50 sheets. Then what's next? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is one of the dashboards that you'll be getting. I guess this is the, I'm not sure if this is the wave dashboard. So let's go out and check the other dashboards to see what they look like. But this is nice. So, oh my gosh. This is so cute. This is the logo file dashboard. A lover of words. This is so nice. I really like it. It says here, there's luxury and simplicity. There you go. There you go. So let's see the other dashboard. Okay, I guess this is the window dashboard. Oh my gosh, it's really nice. I'm so excited about this box though. That's why, I tried not to check out the IG stories because I want to see it for myself, like how nice it is. So next is this page flag, the quartz page flag. let's see the color. Here you go. So these are the flag set that you're gonna get on this box. So nice. Okay. Oh, so we have this cleaning inventory inserts, which is in half page. So I have a personal sized agenda. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing. But there you go. It says supply list, reminders. This is so nice. And this one is the cleaning inserts that you'll be getting. So it has the week off, and then the daily ones, the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and your notes. This is so nice. There you go. And lastly are my fave, the journaling cards. So let me open them up so I can show it to you one by one. So this would be the clear card for May. There you go. And then we have the matte card for the month of May. So you'll be getting these two. You usually get one of each every month for your subscription box, which is nice though. Then we have another one, which is the Fresh Start code card. It says here, a fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset. This is so pretty. The aesthetic is really, oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I'm just excited. Excited on how I'll be using this in my planner. Then this one, the more grateful I am, the more beauty I see. So true. But this is my fave. Okay, so I want to do a recap of what I got from Cloth and Paper. So let's start with the inserts that I got. So I've got these cleaning inserts, and we got a half-page cleaning inventory inserts. So we got 3 dashboards on this box. So we've got the window one, the logo file dashboard, and then we have the wave dashboard, which is a pretty color. It's like a light gray or silvery. Next is we've got the notepad, which is this one of my faves. And then we have the email or call minimal task card set, which comes very handy. And then we have the circle page flags in 3 colors, which is so nice. And then we have quartz transparent page flag. And you'll be also getting the journaling cards, my fave. And these are the 2 monthly cards, and the last one is the grateful code card. So you'll be getting these items for your March subscription box. So if you guys are interested to get the subscription, I would put the link in the description box below. So that link would go directly to the Cloth and Paper subscription website. So what I did, the first time I subscribed with them, I had purchased the 3 months for $100. So apparently after the 3rd month, it renewed. So I paid another $100 for 3 months. So the more months you purchase, then you'll be able to save more. Because if you purchase these ones by itself, it's gonna be more expensive than what you have actually paid for the subscription box. So it's a go for me. So if you really consider like getting their subscription, why not try it? It's really good. You'll be happy with it. So if you guys have any questions or comments about this video, please leave it below, and please give this video a thumbs up. And then see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.